Hello friends, this is Yahya Sadiq from Yahya Sadiq Tricks. If you want to square a two-digit numbers that ends in 5, then follow these tricks. For example, 35 square. There are two steps to solve this. Step number 1. Multiply the first digit by itself and add 1. So here is the first digit is 3. We have to multiply 3 by itself and add 1. So 3 multiply by 3 and plus 1. So 3 जो है वो पूरे ब्रैकेट से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. So 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 is 3. So 9 plus 3 is 12. So step number 2 is put a 25 at the end of 12. So 12 and 25. We put a 25 at the end of 12. अब हम 12 and 25 को मर्ज कर देंगे. So it is 1225. This is the square root of 35. If you want a proof, then watch this. So 35 multiplied by 35 is equals to 1225. This proves that our trick is absolutely right. If you want to tell the correct answer to your teacher, then follow these tricks. For suppose, in this situation, everyone divides 6 by 2 in beginning, in which the answer is 3, and then add 2 plus 1 in an end, which is the answer is 3, and then everyone multiply 3 by 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. So you are wrong. First of all, we will multiply this 2 by the whole bracket. So 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4, and 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to 2. Then add 4 plus 2, which is 6, and 6 is divided by 6 is equals to 1. So we are correct. If you want to multiply large number by 11, then watch this. For suppose 63 multiplied by 11. First of all, we have to add 6 and 3 in the center of 63. So 6 bracket 6 plus 3 bracket close and 3. We should gap between 6 and 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 693. So 63 multiplied by 11 is equals to 693. This is the final answer. One more example is 68 multiplied by 11. This situation is different. We should add 6 and 8 in the center of 68. So 6 bracket 6 plus 8 bracket close and 8. We should gap between 6 and 8. So 6 plus 8 is 14. 6148. This is not our answer. We should add this one in the first digit. So here is the first digit is 6. So bracket 6 plus 1 bracket close and the remaining 48. So gap and 48. 6 plus 1 is 7. 748. So 68 multiplied by 11 is equals to 748. This is the final answer. Here is some magical tricks we have. I will guess your age in just 6 steps. Step number 1 is pick a number from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For example, I choose number 4. Step number 2 is multiply that number by 2. So 4 multiplied by 2 is equals to 8. Step number 3 is add 5 in that answer. So 8 plus 5 is equals to 13. Step number 4 is multiply previous answer by 50. 13 multiplied by 50 is equals to 650. Step number 5 is if you have celebrated your birthday this year, so add 1770 in previous answer. or you will celebrate your birthday in next year, so add 1771 in your previous answer. I have celebrated my birthday this year, so I add 1770 in previous answer. So 650 plus 1770 is equals to 2420. Step number 6 is subtract your birth year by previous answer. So my birth year is 2002. So I will subtract this year by previous answer. So 2420 minus 2002 is equals to 418. By breaking this answer, 4 is my selected number and 18 is my age. Play this magical trick with your friends. Hey friends, are you bored? Let's play some genuine tricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 question mark. What number should replace the question mark? This may not be a number. Think of a situation in everyday life where these numbers appear. If you are not guess the answer, so I give you the answer. It's a gear stick in the car. So the question mark will be replaced by the letter R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and R. Solve this problem. Write 8 times 8s and put addition sign after each 8. Then add each 8, but answer must become 1000. I will give you 20 seconds to get this. If you are not get this, don't worry, I will help you. Write 8, 8, 8 plus 8, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. See, here is 8 8s, which is equals to 1000. So the problem is solved. Let's play some riddles. In 1990, a person is 15 years old. Or in 1995, the same person is 10 years old. How can this be? I will give you 20 seconds to guess this. How is it possible? If you are not getting this, watch how can this be. The person was born in 2005 before Christ. So the problem is solved. In 1990, the person was 15 years old. Or in 1995, the same person was 10 years old. Give answer the question. What number should replace the question mark? If 12 multiplied by 12 is equals to 9, 23 multiplied by 23 is equals to 16, 34 multiplied by 34 is equals to question mark. What number should replace the question mark? After performing the multiplication, we reach the result after adding individual numbers that make up the result. Comment your answer in this video. If you don't know the answer, watch this. For suppose 12 multiplied by 12 is equals to 9. Let's solve this. If 12 multiplied by 12 is equals to 144, then add 144 to each other. So 1 plus 4 is equals to 9. Then another example is 23 multiplied by 23 is equals to 16. If 23 multiplied by 23 is equals to 529, then add 5 to 9 each other. So 5 plus 2 plus 9 is equals to 16. Then come back to the problem. 34 multiplied by 34 is equals to question mark. What number should replace the question mark? If 34 multiplied by 34 is equals to 1156, then add 1156 to each other. So 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6 is equals to 13. So 13 is replaced the question mark. Let's test your brain. Make a true equation by using these numbers and symbols. 2, 3, 4, 5 and plus and is equals to. If you have make an equation by using these numbers and symbols, write done in the comment. If you can't make an equation, I will help you. Let's make an equation. 2 plus 5 is equals to 3 plus 4. See, we have make an equation. After adding these numbers, our answer is 7 is equals to 7. This proves that this is a true equation. Let's play some logical tricks. Use your brain and guess how is it possible. 9 plus 5 is equals to 2. I add 5 to 9 and get 2. The answer is correct, but how? I will give you 20 seconds to guess how is it possible. If you are guess it, comment your answer in this video. If you are not guess it, I will give you the answer. The answer is when it is 9 am. Add 5 hours to it and you will get 2 pm. If you like this video, press the like button below and subscribe for more videos.